Numbers 1 and 19 on page 385 are the first time we're going to work with an inverse trig function. So number 1 asks us to find the exact value without a calculator of inverse sine of the square root of 3 over 2. So what we have to do in the restricted domain is find the angle whose value is square root of 3 over 2 from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So from negative pi over 2 to 0, sine is negative, so it can't be an angle in that quadrant. So it'll be in the first quadrant, and the angle that has a sine value of square root of 3 over 2 is, of course, pi over 3. Now, number 19 asks us to use a calculator to find the approximate value of inverse sine of negative 4 of 0.46. So what you want to do is pull up your graphing calculator. You want to make sure you're in the right mode. So for these, we're going to be in radian, unless it otherwise specifies, which we are. And then this will be true also of the Inspire as well. You're going to see the inverse trig functions. On the 84, they're in blue right above it. So we want inverse sine, so we're going to press that. So we hit second and the sine button, and we'll type in negative 0.46 and hit enter, and we get a value of negative 0.47799. So we'll just round that, and we will put that the value is negative 0.478.